Welcome to Easy English. Daily routine vocabulary words with example. Wake up. I wake up early in the morning, usually around 6 o'clock a.m. Stretch. I stretch my arms and legs after waking up. Brush teeth. Example, after breakfast, I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. Have breakfast. I have a healthy breakfast to start my day. Drink water. I drink lots of water every day. Do the dishes. I do the dishes after dinner. Sweep. The porch needs a good sweep. Read. She made it a habit to read a new book every month. Get up. Then I get up from my bed. Set the alarm. I set my alarm for 6:30 a.m. every weekday. Stretch. I stretch my arms and legs after waking up. Take a shower. I like to take a hot shower in the morning to wake myself up. Meditate. I meditate to relax my mind. Clip nails. I clip my nails on Sunday. Do the laundry. I do the laundry on the weekend. Feed the cat. Before dinner, I feed my cat his favorite food. Watering the plants. I water the plants in the garden 3 days a week. Wash. I wash my face with my favorite face wash. Comb hair. I comb my hair with a wooden comb. Wash dishes. After breakfast, I wash dishes. Get dressed. Before leaving the house, I get dressed in my school uniform. Write. I write in my journal every night. Balance. I balance work and personal life. Fall asleep. After a long day, I quickly fall asleep to recharge for tomorrow. Edit. I edit video after dinner. Cook. I cook dinner for my family. Have dinner. My family and I gather every evening to have dinner together. Take a nap. I take a nap in the afternoon summertime. Make the bed. I make the bed after wake up. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.